Okay, so we have a question here for us. Um, Calculate the force of attraction between a star of mass 2.00 times 10 raised to power 30 kilogram and the earth, assuming the star is located 1.50 times 10 raised to power 8 kilometer from the earth. The mass of the earth is actually here, and we have this. Okay, so a question like this are actually very simple. There's nothing there at all. It's just for us to bring in our formula. So we introduce our formula. All the parameters are given. So we are told of the mass of the star. Okay, so let me use X, and the mass of the earth. So let me use E. Okay, then we have this. So let's find out parameters given to us. So we know this parameter G, we know that is 6.67 times 10 raised to power what? Minus 11. I did say that in the last video. Okay, and then the mass of the star is given. What is it? Look at it there. 2.0 times 10 raised to power 30 kilogram. Very simple. And then we are also told the mass of the earth. The mass of the earth is what? Is somewhere here. Okay, look at it there. 5 point this times 10 raised to power, I think that's 24 or so kilogram. Do we need, okay, yes, we need this, the radius. So from the radius, we are told, let me look at the question. Calculate the force of attraction between a star of mass, and they assuming the star is located. Okay, so they told us it's located at this kilometer. Now we can convert that to meter. Obviously, it's going to be 11, knowing fully well that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. That is 1, 2, 3. So you add 30 to this, changing it to meter. So we're solving in meter. So we can also put in the value now. So we know this. Look at it. 67 times 10 raised to power 11. We know the mass of the star 2.00 times 10 raised to power what? 30. And then we know that of the mass of the, that's 5.98 times 10 raised to power 24 over 1.01 times 10 raised to power 11, and then you square it. So to do this, you could just you could do it this way systematically. So let's use calculator to resolve it. The easiest way to approach this is to multiply this value with this value and with this value. So look at what I'm going to do. I'll say 6.67 times 2.0 times 5.98. So I'm having 79.77. Allow me to approximate a little. Let me put 3 there. So then this is minus 11. Minus 11 plus 30, that will give me what now? That will give me 19. Then plus 19, so we have 19 plus 24. That is 19 plus 24. So we have 3 here, we have 4 here. So that's raised to power of what? 43. What I've done simply is that I said 30 plus 24, that's 54, minus 11. So let me see whether I'll get the same thing. 3, 4, exactly. So that's what I have there. Then come to the denominator. For the denominator, we know that take this one, square it, then square this. So we have 1 times, what I mean is 1.5 times 1.5, in case you don't have calculator. So we have 2.25 times, power can multiply power, so you have 22 right there. So in this case again, to make it easier, just divide 79.773 divide by this. So we say 79.77 what? 3 divide by 2.25. Okay, that's giving me, I'm having 3.19 here, 3.19092. Take this up now. So that's like, you know, from the law of indices, this one goes up, and when it goes up, it becomes minus. So you have this. So this gives you what? 1, and it gives you 2. So it becomes 21. So you could choose to take it this way. I could approximate and have 3.2, and that's taking it like this, 2. So I've moved a 2 step forward. So 1, 2. So I'm going to have this one will minus it. I will now have 19. The answer will now be 3.2. Approximately 3.2 times 10 raised to power 90. You can confirm if your answer is different from mine, and then you can make your observation in the comment section. Till I come your way again. Bye.